is the first time we've created a musical concert experience to celebrate the Infinity Saga.
Sometimes you gotta run before you can walk. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Turn it off! Kill it! Kill the actors!
No! Don't! I can do this!
Puny God.
Not done, I'm not. Okay, I'm not.
minutes? Just 4?
I think so. 4 minutes more?
I just got one little thing I want to share with you. Here it is. I have this. I'm going to watch from over here, okay? I'm going to watch. Hey, great cheers, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Hollywood Bowl, here we go.
This concert premieres tonight, but next year it'll be performed by orchestras around the world.